Hmm. Oh, you didn't have to do that.
Oh, well.
Okay, I was joking.
You've got to make the most of your last day of freedom.
Eh?
Fiona told me she got you a job.
Oh, Ricky's labour, yeah.
Able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, eh?
I think it's a toilet block.
Able to leap tall toilet blocks. No, doesn't sound the same, does it?
Last day. How about the beach? Oh. Boy, it's hot. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Oh. How long have you been staying at Aunt Fiona's?
A while.
That long, eh? And who'd you make breakfast for before that?
Let's make a deal.
Hmm?
I don't know much about you, and you don't know much about me. Let's keep it that way.
Boy, it's hot.
Where are you off to?
3 guesses.
If I get it right, will you come and have a look at this list?
List?
Guest list for the party. I told you at breakfast. There might be somebody you want to add or somebody you want crossed off.
I don't mind. I'll leave it up to you. Bye-bye.
Her party and she couldn't care less.
She just had a birthday party. She might not want another one. How's that? There are other things on her mind, too.
Such as?
Well, my bet is she's headed straight for Manly.
What would she want to go there for?
Scott Edwards' country.
She's finished with him.
She might think she has.
Hi. Good to see you.
Uh-huh.
I'll if you're mad because I haven't called.
I know about you and Jill. I just didn't expect to see you all over it, that's all.
Hang on.
Do you mind?
What's all this about me and Jill?
Fiona filled me in. About Jill's baby. Your baby.
You're crazy. Fiona had no right.
Of course she did.
How do you figure that out?
Oh, if you'd been there, if you'd seen how snooty she was when she arrived...
Says you.
Look, Fiona was doing you a favour. You should be grateful.
You're kidding? Grateful that she told a pack of lies about me? I bet you did your bit. Fiona!
She'll be out all day.
I'll wait. By myself.